Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Minecraft on a phone. So guys, it will be just the same step if you are using an Android or iOS. So for Android, just open up your Google Play Store, and if you are using an iOS, just simply open up your App Store, and from here just select the search bar at the top and search for Minecraft. So from here, guys, just simply tap on Minecraft. And guys, as you know, that Minecraft is a paid application, so we have to pay to install the Minecraft on your phone. So now just tap on the digits, and from here a pop-up will show up, and from there just simply provide your payment method. You can either go for PayPal, credit or debit card, or you can go for redeem code. So it will be depending on you. And after that, once you have selected a certain payment method, just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.